Kranti's World, the most beautiful place to explore. So, today I would want to talk about COVID 19 and pets. I'm sure a lot of us have seen in newspapers, in YouTube channels, in TV, and in, even in our surroundings, a lot of pets were abandoned due to fear that the COVID 19 is contracted through pets. I've seen a lot of NGOs, a lot of animal activists and rescue teams has been rescuing a lot of pets, indies, big international breeds pets were abandoned by educated people, not illiterate. To be honest, people from villages, people are not that educated, are taking their pets along with them to their villages, native places. They did not abandon, but educated people like us abandoned lot of pets on the streets. Apart from indies, the stray dogs around us and other pets or other animals, now these abandoned pets are also on the streets searching for food. And we are almost in lockdown, and most of the animals are not getting food outside. So, my sincere request to everyone, please do not abandon your pets. They do not contract or spread COVID 19. Yes, this is the fact, and a lot of doctors, a lot of scientists are continuously spreading the message not to leave the pets because they do not contract. Let's say when we step out of our house, we take all the precautions like mask, sanitizer, and gloves. So these are the precautions you are taking, and when you come back to your home, you take shower properly and put your clothes for washing. Similarly, you're taking your dogs also out for walk, but you cannot use these kind of precautions for them. All that you have to do is when they step in, wipe their paws with wet tissues. You can use your wet tissues, the normal wet tissues, or you'll also find dog wet tissues also in the pet stores, and wipe them properly, and weekly once make sure you give them proper shower. And in case if you think your pets have touched their coat somewhere on the surfaces of floor or somewhere outside your house, make sure you give them wipe the body with the wet tissues. These are the precautions that you can take, and trust me, if you hug them or if you kiss them or if you let them sleep beside you, that will not uh, that will not allow you contracted with the virus, because they don't produce the virus, you understand. They're just like us. They get contracted, or I mean not contracted, they also get the virus touched on the body only if they go around in that particular areas where the person with the virus has loitered around, similarly like us. But we can still, we as human can contract the virus, but animals will not. They might have virus on the fur, the coat that they have, because virus can be anywhere, right? It can be on the surface, clothes, hair, floor. Similarly, they might also have it on the fur, on their body, in case if they have gone to that kind of places where the person with the virus has walked around. I hope you all got my message. So do not abandon them. Animals do not contract or spread COVID 19, and please make sure you keep them closer to you, give them love. They deserve a lot of love from people, and make sure that you be the best pet parent, right? So any questions regarding your pets, you can message me in the comment section and I will definitely reply. And this is, as I always say, this is my new channel and I'm still working on how to edit, how to be a YouTuber. And please support me by subscribing the channel, sharing it, and click the bell icon also, so that you get notifications of my all the videos. And please guys, I'm sure right now I'm not earning anything out of YouTube, but in future if I do, every penny will be used for the street animals initially. And in that way I'm not raising funds to do anything. It would be my hard earned through YouTube channel. So in this way you all can be a support, and you all are being a reason behind helping a lot of animals. So please subscribe and support Kranti's world. In my brother's place I have an open terrace, and I have a lot of place for my pets to play around, and also I give bath to them on the terrace itself. So weekly once Riva is bathed, and Precious like 15 to 20 days, because her skin texture and her hair is really good. So that's why I give her bath like 15 to 20 days, once in 15 to 20 days. But because of this COVID situation, I'm giving them bath every week, because I take them out for walk and I don't want to take any risk. So I want them to be healthy, and myself, I want to keep myself healthy. So I give them bath every week. So today is Sunday and today is the shower time. Nose, especially for Riva. She has a breathing problem. I use microdacin wound care for ears, and then I put ear drops, which is calm ear for Precious and Riva both. And also I use shampoo, which is Venky's product, Sulben's Pet. This is a very beautiful shampoo. It gives nice coat, and you should leave it for 5 minutes after you actually give bath, and then rinse with water. So that's how I keep them neat and please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you.